And I think that's something that is shared with other incidents of bombing that have taken place. So including that incident, if I'm not mistaken, 11 na total yung mga bombing incidents na nangyayari in different parts of the Philippines. So ever since stepped into the presidency si Marcos Jr., which is a bit alarming kasi a lot of these cases are actually cases of indiscriminate bombing. And on top of that, based on our research and data, ay marami sa kanila ay nangyayari either inside or adjacent to key biodiversity areas, protected areas, national parks, even na of course we can't even begin to comprehend talaga ano ba yung pwedeng mangyari kapag may mga ganong klaseng mga indiscriminate na military operations that can potentially affect not only the people who are living in the area but also the biodiversity.